Need to access any of your files from anywhere at any time? Cloud storage, today on Skill Sprints. In this video, we'll show you how to store, share, and collaborate on documents using cloud storage solutions. Access anything, anywhere with cloud storage. Hi, I'm John with Skill Sprints. Today we'll explore how cloud storage can transform the way you handle your files. We'll focus on Google Drive, but also touch on other popular services like Dropbox and OneDrive. Let's start with understanding cloud storage. Cloud storage allows you to save your files on remote servers, which you can access from any device with an internet connection. That means your important documents are always at your fingertips, eliminating the need to carry USB drives or worry about your computer crashing. First, let's dive into Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free by following the on-screen instructions. Uploading files to Google Drive is simple. Click on the New button, then select File Upload or Folder Upload. Choose the files or folders you want to upload from your computer. They'll be stored in your Google Drive and accessible from any device connected to your Google account. You can upload documents, photos, videos, and more. Sharing files is just as easy. Right-click on the file you want to share and select Share. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can also generate a shareable link if you prefer. Choose their permission level: viewer, commenter, or editor. Click Send to share the file. This feature is great for group projects, work collaboration, and sharing large files without emailing them. Google Drive also allows real-time collaboration. Open a document in Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. You and your collaborators can edit the document simultaneously, with changes appearing instantly. Use the comment feature to leave notes and suggestions, and the chat feature to discuss edits in real time. This feature is perfect for teamwork and ensures everyone is on the same page, without having to send multiple versions of a document back and forth. While we focused on Google Drive, other cloud storage solutions offer similar features. Dropbox and OneDrive are also excellent choices. Dropbox is known for its simplicity and reliability, offering seamless synchronization across devices and easy file sharing. OneDrive integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Office, making it a great choice if you're already using tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Each service has its unique strengths, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Whether it's Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, you'll enjoy the convenience of accessing your files from anywhere, at any time. With features like automatic backups, file version history, and offline access, cloud storage ensures that your data is secure and always available. By leveraging cloud storage, you can ensure your important documents are always within reach and collaborate effortlessly with others. Imagine working on a presentation from your home computer, then continuing where you left off from your phone while on the go. That's the power of cloud storage. Thank you for watching. Embrace the power of cloud storage to boost your productivity and stay connected. I'm John with Skill Sprints. Keep exploring and tech your way to the top.